Hello friends, today's topic, three sectors gone down after budget. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. We had made a video yesterday on the sectors which are likely to benefit from the budget announcements. However, there are certain sectors which were expected to get support from the government, but the budget announcements did not focus too much, and hence the shares of the following sectors have been falling since budget day. Number one, railway sector. The government has not significantly increased the budget allocation for the railway sector for 2025-26. The government will provide budgetary support of around 2.52 lakh crores for 2024-26, which is the same as for financial year 24-25. This is the reason for the weakness in railway stocks. They have fallen by 10 to 15% in total in the last 2 days. Railway stocks performance. Ircon International change on 1st February minus 9.3%, change on 3rd February minus 2.7%. IRCTC minus 3.4% and 2.8%. IRFC minus 6.4% and 2.5%. 4. Rail Vikas Nigam minus 8.9%, minus 6.2%. Railtel Corporation minus 6.9 and minus 5.5. Texmaco Rail change on 1st February minus 9.5%, change on 3rd February minus 9.6%. 7. Titagarh Rail minus 6.2 and minus 4.6. 8. Jupiter Wagons change on 1st February minus 5.7%, change on 3rd February minus 5.3%. Second sector that has been going down after the budget is infrastructure sector. The revised capital expenditure projection for 2024-25 has been reduced to from 10.18 lakh crores down from initially allocated rupees 11 lakh crores. The financial year 2025 allocation was slightly raised to 11.2 lakh crores, still falling short for the industry's expectation of 13 to 14 lakh crores. Infrastructure stocks performance. L&T change on 1st February minus 3.3%, change on 3rd February minus 4.7%. IRB Infra minus 2.9 and minus 4.4. KNR Construction minus 0.8 and minus 5%. NCC minus 8.2, minus 6.1. GR Infra change on 1st February minus 0.5, change on 3rd February minus 4.6. HG Infra change on 1st February 0.5% plus and change on 3rd February minus 5.3%. Afcons Infra change on 1st February plus 0.1%, change on 3rd February minus 6.9%. Third sector is defense sector. The Union Budget Finance Minister has allocated 6.81 lakh crore for the Ministry of Defence for the financial year 25-26, a 9.55 increase from 6.2 lakh crores allocated last year. However, the increase in allocation is lower than expected and hence investors are disappointed. Defense stocks performance. Number 1, HAL. Change on 1st February minus 4.1%, change on 3rd February minus 6.3%. 2. BEL minus 3.7% and minus 2.8%. 3. Cochin Shipyard minus 4.1%, minus 4%. 4. Garden Rich Shipbuilders minus 1.7%, minus 5.5%. 5. Bharat Dynamics change on 1st February minus 3.9%, change on 3rd February minus 6%. 6. Mazagaon Docks change on 1st February minus 4.7%, change on 3rd February minus 6.1%. 7. Paras Defense minus 7% and minus 5%. Since most of these capital expenditure linked companies are dependent on government projects to support their earnings growth, the lower than expected allocation in the budget has made investors sell since they are pessimistic about the near future. Already many railway and defense stocks were going through a price correction since July 2024 itself. So the consolidation may continue for some more time due to previously higher valuations and also expected temporary dullness in business in the coming few quarters. End of the video, here is the question. Do you hold any stocks in railways, infrastructure or defense sectors? If yes, type the name of the company. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends, and the video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.